We are busy revising the nature of roots, where delta is equals to b squared minus 4ac. And in this video, we want to show that the roots of x multiplied with 6x minus 7n equals to 5m squared are real, rational, and unequal where m is not equal to 0. So when the roots are real, rational, and unequal, we know that delta is bigger than 0. So let us dive into the solution. So here I have my equation. Firstly, I need to multiply out and rewrite the equation in standard form. So x times 6x becomes 6x squared. X multiplied with negative 7m is negative 7m squared. And then I move 5m squared to the left-hand side and it becomes negative 5m squared. So if I want to find delta, I need a b value, an a value, and a c value. So the a value is the coefficient of x squared, so that is 6. The b value is the coefficient of x, so that is negative 7m. And the c value is the term without an x, so that is negative 5m squared. So if I set up delta, I have b squared as negative 7m squared, which multiplies to 49m squared, minus 4 times a, which is 6, and c, which is negative 5m squared. And this second term multiplies out to 120m squared. So notice we have like terms, so therefore delta is equals to 169m squared. So the question said, show that the roots are real, rational, and unequal where m is not equal to 0. So here we have delta as 169. And what I want you to recognize is that delta is bigger than 0 where m is not equal to 0 and is a perfect square. So that means that any value that you put in the place of m will result in a delta value that is bigger than 0. So that means the roots are real, rational, and unequal where m is not equal to 0. Thank you for watching. Remember to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to MatheNatic.